we have to address this issue of the starter cord. So, not bad. So, let's go ahead, turn it on its side, take out this bolt, this one, and this one. Alright, let's take these off like so. Set them aside so we don't lose them. Just gotta pull it out of there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pull this cord out, take it off, and we're gonna replace it with our new one. 3 feet, tie knot, rewind, put it back together. Simple as that.
Give you an update here. So I put the cord through the hole there from the outside where you pull it from in, took the old rope out, put the new one in, tied that knot right there, pulled it through, got our pull handle, put the rope through there, and I tied a double twist granny knot. And now let's go ahead and we're just gonna pull this through like so. And then all we're gonna do is hold on to this while we wind this up. And we'll wind it up, pull it in, put it back on, and we'll be done. Yeah, guys, look at this. We got this STIHL MS391 all put back together. Let's take a look. Pull cords in, snaps all the way in, covers on. Thanks for watching Bobby Repairs It. If you can't fix it, maybe old Bobby can. Leave me a comment, and I'll try to help you out.